Hello and welcome back. A very good morning to all of you in Mumbai, all those who are in different cities in India, and of course my friends who are overseas will be taking a look at this video at some point of time or the other. Now, in my quest and endeavor to bring you new and unique videos each morning, I bring you something unique again this morning, and it's Train the Trainer. Train the Trainer is a very important element in every organization, in every trainer's life, because once a trainer gets certified on this, it gives him or her the confidence to go ahead and deliver these sessions wherever they want. So the first question that comes to my mind, which I want to share with you, is why is Train the Trainer important? There are two important aspects to Train the Trainer. First, trainers need to have the proper knowledge about the topic that they are supposed to be delivering. So they need to be a subject matter expert at hand. And secondly, they need to have the skills to pass off their knowledge to others. First have the knowledge, and then they need to have the skills to pass off the knowledge to others. Now, in order for this to happen, they have to be good trainers. So first they have got to be good students. And once they become good students, they've got to be demonstrating that by delivering it. So they become good trainers. How do you become a good trainer? When you attend a Train the Trainer session, when anyone attends a Train the Trainer session, seminars, courses or workshops, you can achieve your certification in more than one way. You can attend a workshop which is of repute and get your certification from there. You can enroll with certain training institutes, certain training companies which have a signature program of Train the Trainer, and you can get your certification from there. You can submit your assessment work of what you're capable of doing. That also helps you to get enrolled into a particular Train the Trainer course. What are the qualities that make a good trainer? Of course, excellent communication skills, brilliant presentation skills, meaningful training knowledge, a deep knowledge of the industry and the topic, a passion for continuous excellence, a passion for continuous learning. The question that everyone would have is, how can I be a successful trainer? Yes, you can be a successful trainer, you can be a great trainer by having good patient listening skills. You've got to have good listening skills. You've got to approach training strategically. You have to encourage engagement. You've got to be well organized and planned yourself. You've got to appreciate good instructional design, content. You've got to have your finger on the pulse of learning trends. You've got to know what are the trends happening in the market right now. You've got to analyze yourself, improve again and again and again, and keep upgrading and updating yourself. It's a lifelong learning process that you've got to step into. Are you ready for that? Because once you're ready for this, it makes you brilliant. So what makes an excellent trainer? It takes a lot of attributes actually to make an excellent trainer. It doesn't happen overnight. You've got to be a subject matter expert. You've got to have good communication skills. You've got to have good presentation skills. You've got to have deep domain expertise. You've got the ability to influence and convince people. Anyone now in the learning and development role should have these attributes. But it's also nice to have some of the soft skills, have a high emotional quotient, have high emotional intelligence. Today, EQ and IQ play a very important role. So, I'll come to our next question is, what is the trainer's responsibility? It's to develop competency and skill sets in the individual who performs his or her job effectively, and also at the workplace where he is in. So the organization also benefits from that. The trainer should communicate to the participants about what his expectation from this training is and how he wants you to be looking at the end of 2 days or 3 days. Now, training is a very vast subject. It's very passionate. You've got to love it in order to deliver it. And you don't have to be a trainer to deliver a training session. You can be a CEO, you can be a head of department, and you can just have that passion for training. So do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to receive future videos that I will bring to you to enrich your knowledge, upgrade and update you, where you can build some more additional skills. In the meantime, stay safe, stay indoors, receive loads of blessing, and enjoy the rest of your day. You take care. God bless. Bye-bye.